Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this mirror with shelf for reviewing purposes and I think that it's really nice. Let's open it all up. As you can see, it comes really well protected with cardboard fillings, which I think it's great. This is the main unit. Okay. Has a really nice design. Let's open it up all the way. And I think that it's really nice because it can be turned on because it has some LEDs that I think that it's gonna look really great. Okay, we get here the instructions on how to install it, which I think it's great. And in this box we get everything that we need to install it, which I think is great. Okay, in this side we have this grab because it comes the shelf, which I'm gonna take out in a second. Okay, as you can see, the shelf goes like this. Okay, we got two holes in the back so we can attach it. So let's go ahead and we'll start assembling all the mirror with the shelf, take out this protective film and install it up on the wall. Okay, come on. So as you can see guys, the assembly process is actually really quick and we just need to mark the holes and drill them to install it, which I think it's nice. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed and I think it looks really nice. I like that it has the shelf right here so you can place anything that you need while you're getting ready. You can place your, well, makeup, your hair gel, whatever you need, which I think that it's nice. And you turn it on with this button and as you can see, we have a warm temperature. If we hold down the button, we can set up the brightness, as you can see. Get it up or down, however you need it, which I think it's really nice. We can also change the color temperature. As you can see, a more neutral white, which I think is great. And well, overall, I think that it's really nice. I think it has a really great size and it will be perfect to place it in your bathroom or in your bedroom, however you want to install it. And I think it's really nice. As you could see, to install it, it was really easy. You just measure the distance where you wanna place it, drill the holes, and hang it up, which I think it is great. So overall, I like it a lot, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.